Om Shanti class. Okay, now let's proceed further with the square root. Now finding the number of digits without calculation. In the square root of a perfect square, if a given square number has n digit, then the square root will contain n upon 2 digit if n is even, and n plus 1 upon whole upon 2 digit if n is odd. What does it mean, children? For example, right, if it is 4, 4, 8, 9. So without calculation, if I want to find कि how many how many number of digit will this square root of a perfect square will have. So what am I going to do? How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. So it means this is even. What is n equals to 4? It's an even number. Right. So it means how many digit will it have? It will have n upon 2. It means it will have 4 upon 2. So it will have only 2 digits. Is it clear to you? Right, class? Are you understanding? If suppose it has 3 number, like I want to find 61504, 61,504. I want to like after finding out the square root, how many digit number it will be. So you know here n is 5. Is it clear to you? So how many digit will have? Will have n plus 1 upon 2 because it's a odd number. So 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 divided by 2. So it will have 3 digits. Is it clear? Right. See, if I'll take root of 81. You know it has 2. So there will be only one pair. If I say, what is n here? N is 2. So how many digit number will we have? N is, you know, it is even. So you know 2 upon 2. So how much digit number will it have? It will have only one digit. And you all know, if I'll make it a pair, you know it is 9 nines are 81. So what is the square root of 81? We know the square root of 81 is 9. It's a one digit number. Yes, if it is even, you just count. How many are there in even? The first one is 4 digit number. So it will 4. So like it will have only, it answer will be 2 digit number only. The another one has 5. So answer will be 3 digit there. Right, class? Now today I am going to tell you the square root of a decimal number. Right. For example, if I take 6.76. See, that day I told you this is the, this is the decimal. Before the decimal, it will be from right to left. But here only one number is there. After the decimal, it will be from left to right. So it will be 76. One pair will be 76. Same thing, we know 3 threes is 9, but 6 is less. So I'll take 2 twos are 4. Now what is left here? 2. Now it's a decimal here, so you will first put the decimal there. Then you'll carry this 76 here. You'll bring a pair here. Now again, square it remains the same. Here you have multiply, here you will add. So 2 plus 2 is 4. Now you know either it will be 4 here, either it will be 6 here. Because 4 4 is 16. Yes, 6 6 is 36. So let me do it with the 4. how much will it come to? Let me, 4 is less, 176. So let me do it with 6. So 46 into 6 if I do, it will come to 276. I think there should be no problem here. Let me take now 17.64, the square root of this. Is it clear to you? Again, if I'll make it pair, after decimal it is left to right. So 64. Before decimal it is from right to left. So what is for 16? We know it is 4 fours is 16. What is left? 17 minus 16 is 1. Put a decimal here. Again the pair have to be copied. So 4 plus 4 is 8. And last term is 4. So either it should be 2 here. Is it clear to you? Or 8. So, but I think it's easier to put 2 here. So 2 here. So 2 2s is 4. So how much will it come to? 164. Because 82 into 2 is 164. Otherwise the square root remains the same. Only what is going to change is where to put the decimal, how to make the pair. Now it is 2601. Right? Just see. After the decimal, this will be one pair, this will be another pair. Is it clear to you? And before decimal, there is no number. So straight away, here is a decimal. I'll put a 0 and I'll put a decimal here. Now, first number is 26. So it is, 5 fives is 25. What will be left now? 1. When I'll subtract, 1 will be there. Copy this also in pair. Now what is 5 plus 5? We know it is 10. How many times will it go? It will go one time only. So what will be my answer? It is going to be 51. I think it is clear to you. Right. I'll solve maybe 2 more questions for you in the next video. Okay.